is the transmitting Raspberry Pi hardware, 555 timer, which is set at 38 kilohertz square wave, which then is output to a BJT. The BJT is in switch mode, which is connected to the GPIO pin of the Raspberry Pi. The emitter of the BJT then goes to the infrared LED, which is used to transmit the signal. This is the receiving hardware, or the receiving Raspberry Pi. Here we have a TSUP infrared receiver, which receives the modulated 38 kilohertz signal and is then sent through the GPIO pin to the Raspberry Pi. Over here we have an LM386 audio amplifier with the signal coming through the headphone jack of the Raspberry Pi. It then gets amplified and played out through the speaker.
This is the RPi speaker application that once opened lists the devices that are paired to this mobile phone. According to the list, we have a Raspberry Pi with the particular address there. So once we click it, it establishes a connection to the transmitting Raspberry Pi. And in this activity, we see that we have a piano mode and a song mode where we can send individual frequencies on this side, and we can send a collection or a bunch of pre-established notes, as well as the volume and duration of the particular note. So if we put it at, let's say, short with a volume of 60, we can have individual tunes coming out if we press them that way, and it sends out a particular data that combines the note itself with the volume and the duration and sends it over to the RPi. So as we can see in the video, if I press B, it shows B61, where 60 is the volume, B is the note that we're sending, and 1 is the duration. If we change the duration to medium,
The duration number of seconds.
which is literally the number of seconds, and we change the volume and press E, it will send E, 80 volume, and the duration of 2. This video shows how the transmitting Pi receives the data so that it can be sent over to the receiving Pi. So once we press B, a particular sound is recorded where it shows the note is written B, the volume is 80 with the duration of 1. If we press D, it receives a different frequency and shows the bit string over there with the note, the volume, and the duration as well.
This is a range test at about 1.5 meters, 2 meters.
Almost 2 meters or 1.8 meters. Should I send?
Yeah. Cool. Beginning the bits error test, sending 10,000 bits at a bit rate of 500 bits. Alright, let's go. Received 9,999 bits with 1 error.